Artificial intelligence is transforming the way we understand the brain, genetics, and evolution, offering breakthroughs that were once thought to be decades away. A recent study led by a Belgian research team has successfully used deep learning to decode how genetic switches regulate brain cell types across species. This discovery not only sheds light on how brains have evolved over hundreds of millions of years, but also provides valuable tools for studying diseases that affect cognitive function and mental health. The findings, published in Science, demonstrate that while some aspects of brain cell regulation have remained consistent across species, others have diverged significantly, potentially influencing neurological traits and disorders in unexpected ways. This research offers a profound insight into one of the most complex biological puzzles, the regulatory code that controls brain cell identity. Although all cells in the body share the same DNA, they take on different shapes and functions based on how specific genes are turned on or off. This genetic switching mechanism determines how neurons develop, interact, and function within the brain, shaping both individual cognition and species-wide neurological adaptations. Until recently, deciphering this intricate regulatory network was nearly impossible due to its complexity, but AI is now making it possible to analyze vast amounts of genomic data with unprecedented precision. A key breakthrough in this study is the ability of AI-driven models to identify patterns in gene regulation that span across species. By analyzing brain cell types in humans, mice, and chickens, researchers found that certain regulatory codes have remained unchanged for millions of years, underscoring their fundamental role in brain function. However, they also discovered surprising differences, particularly in how bird and mammal neurons are regulated. Some bird neurons share genetic control mechanisms with deep layer neurons in the mammalian neocortex, hinting at previously unrecognized evolutionary connections. These findings challenge traditional assumptions about brain evolution and suggest that different species may have developed similar cognitive capabilities through distinct genetic pathways. Beyond evolutionary biology, the implications of this research for medicine are enormous. Scientists have already demonstrated that AI can identify regulatory patterns linked to diseases such as melanoma, revealing similarities in gene regulation between zebrafish and humans. This same approach is now being applied to neurological conditions, with the potential to uncover genetic variations associated with disorders like Parkinson's disease. By mapping how regulatory codes influence cell function across species, researchers can better understand how genetic mutations contribute to neurodegeneration, opening the door to earlier diagnoses and more effective treatments. However, while the potential is immense, there are also important considerations and challenges. The complexity of gene regulation means that even small errors in AI modeling could lead to misleading conclusions, which could have serious consequences when applied to medical research. Furthermore, while AI can identify patterns, it does not yet fully explain why certain regulatory changes occur or how they interact with environmental factors. Scientists must therefore ensure that AI-generated insights are validated through rigorous biological experimentation before they can be translated into clinical applications. Despite these challenges, the rapid progress in AI-driven genetics research suggests a future where we can not only map the evolutionary history of the brain, but also predict and potentially prevent neurological diseases. The research team behind this study is already expanding their AI models to study a wider range of species, including deer, hedgehogs, and capybaras. This ambitious effort aims to uncover even deeper evolutionary links and explore how genetic regulatory codes have adapted across diverse environments and biological systems. The ability to decode the genetic blueprint of the brain using AI is a remarkable achievement, with far-reaching implications for both science and medicine. By understanding the fundamental principles that govern brain cell function across species, researchers are not only unlocking the secrets of evolution, but also paving the way for revolutionary advancements in disease research. This work highlights the transformative power of AI in modern biology, demonstrating how cutting-edge technology can be harnessed to solve some of the most complex mysteries of life. With continued refinement and ethical oversight, AI-driven genetic research could soon become an indispensable tool for understanding the human brain, treating neurological disorders, and even predicting the future course of evolution itself.